What's up, YouTube world? Welcome to another edition of Sorry We're Stoned. Alright, everybody. I'm just out here at the old F350, and I hooked up a battery, and as you can tell, I have flashers. Now, I don't have headlights. I don't know if that's because they're hooked up or not. I haven't checked that, but I'm just going to check the truck and see if she cranks over, and we'll go from there. So, let's see if I can do this and get you set up, get this cranked over. Let's see if I can get you set in here. See if we can get this to set just like that. See what happens. Alright, so I think you saw she cranks over there. Not too bad. We're going to take another shot from this angle over here. Have a look, see what we can see from this angle. Alright, well, that's a good sign. She cranks. I'm liking that. She cranks beautifully. So, that's a big bonus. Now I can disconnect the battery, and I think we're good. That's amazing. So the girl's still got power. She's still got motivation. Still got the go juice going. Yeah, baby. That's pretty awesome. Alright. Alright, everyone. After a little bit of effort, a little work, hooked up the battery. And I know she cranks. I know she has lights now. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the 4-ways on in a sec here. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. There we are. I think we got them. Yeah, they flash there. Lights are on. Hazard lights flashing. Let's take a look, see if we got headlights or not now. After a little bit of electrical playing around I did. And we do. We have lights. And the flashers are flashing. It's hard to see, but they are. Now, I don't know what's going on here. They were just working just a second ago, so let me have a look-see. Just set you down for a second. Let's see if that did anything. Yeah, there we go. Now we can see the lights are flashing. I just didn't have it pulled out far enough. So after a little bit of work, I've got headlights and I've got flashers in the front. I've got nothing in the back because the back ones are broken off, but that's going to change. So she lives. Alright, everyone. Well, I think I'm going to leave it there for right now for this episode of Sorry We're Stoned. And we'll pick you up next time. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to like and subscribe.